You want another book?
Yes, please. We got anything new?
This is new. Art of Cookery.
Art of Cookery.
In fact, one of the receipts in there I'm going to use in these giant gingerbread molds on loan to me from the neighbor.
That is amazing.
Be careful. I think they're clay, made of clay.
I would say so. Gorgeous.
They are.
The detail is magnificent.
They are. That means you're about to have gingerbread again.
I just seen gingerbread here in the contents for a gingerbread receipt. I also see one for venison here. Oh. Sweet potatoes, confections and cakes. This is quite the book, dear.
That was a gift.
Very nice gift.
I have many friends who give me things I can't normally afford.
Did you do something different with your shawl scarf?
Do you like it?
I do like it. Very nice.
I saw it in a fashion plate. Thought I'd give it a try.
It's lovely.
Oh, and the fashion plate was 6 years out of date, but...
If it looks good, it looks good.
Thank you. Fetches butter.
I'd say it's melted quite.
It is. It needs to be melted for the gingerbread. And while you read, I'll begin.
Good, dear. Melt a ½ pound of butter and 4 or 5 spoonfuls of cream. Then stir it all together and set it over a fire, stirring it till it begins to be pretty thick. Hun, listen to this. Potato balls. Mix mashed potatoes with a yolk of an egg, roll them into balls, dust with flour or breadcrumbs, fry them in clean drippings or grease.
Have you ever had those before? I made those all the time at the old house.
I've never had them. It sounds very good.
I'll make them. Could you help me mix this? This is fighting back against me.
Yes, I sure can.
Molasses, my goodness.
Oh, the good old molasses.
Thank you. He's a man's strength.
That's right.
Molasses is thick.
Well, that's how you make bricks.
Bricks?
Molasses and flour.
Are you gonna build a house out of gingerbread?
Well, that's why people make gingerbread houses.
Ron, we are gonna have to make another batch of gingerbread. You've had so much, it's not even cooked yet. I don't have enough for the man.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm just curious to see what it'll look like.
I do a lot of work. It takes a lot of food to feed me.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know.
I'm just glad I got the day off. I love Sundays. Could you grab me a knife too, please?
Yes.
Thank you, huh? Looks good, right?
Yes, that looks marvelous.
Thank you.
She look a little bit like a jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, kind of. She's got kind of a
Well, she looks very cheerful.
thing going on. She'll tighten up when we put her in the oven.
One can only hope.
There we go. Now she's a little straighter.
Lord, are you punching it?
Need more flour. Still wet. That's how you work it in, huh? Just like that.
With violence?
Yes, with violence. When necessary, use violence. Right now, it's necessary because all the flour and the ashes. And for the reveal,
Oh, it does look like a man.
it does.
Yet again, he has no face. But it's not a problem for you, is it?
Let's give him a smiley face there.
Oh, Lord.
Some eyes. Nose. Look at that.
You proud?
Yes, ma'am. I sure am. Let's not forget,
Are we looking at the same thing?
you had 2 attempts. Mine came out on the first try each time.
That's true.
Don't look at their faces.
We'll eat those first.
Yeah.
Ron, it is I. I have returned.
You have? Oh my. Bring them in.
I was smelling them the whole walk back.
Mmm. Gingerbread. Well, hello there, sir.
Hold that for me.
Yes. Oh, look at that. Lovely. She looks just like you. You're both wearing brown.
That is an insult if I've ever heard one.
You are more beautiful, though. Thank you. Yeah. So what shall we eat first? The feet or the head?
Marie Antoinette. We will eat the top.
The head?
Mm-hmm.
Shall I use the bigger knife then?
No, I believe I read about this in a French book, history book.
Say when.
The guillotine drop.
She gone.
She dead.
She did. And I'll have
Louis?
King Louis. Because this is America. We don't have kings and queens. Well, what do you think?
Very good. Spiced.
Yes.
Spicy.
Excellent.
It's good.